Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Xplorer, where we dive deep into the latest in mobile tech. Today, we are exploring the Oppo A5 Pro, the latest affordable smartphone that promises impressive features without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a phone that combines a stylish design, solid performance, and a reliable camera setup, this might just be the device for you. Let's get into all the details to see if it lives up to the hype. The Oppo A5 Pro comes with a sleek and modern design. It has a plastic bag that's well polished, giving it a premium look while being budget-friendly. The rounded edges and slim profile make it easy to hold and comfortable for one-handed use. The A5 Pro is available in two colors, midnight blue and crystal white, both of which look sharp and professional. It's clear Oppo has focused on creating a device that's both stylish and affordable. Let's talk about the display, which is crucial for any smartphone user. The Oppo A5 Pro features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. This Full HD Plus display ensures vibrant colors and crisp details, making it suitable for streaming, gaming, and general everyday use. With a 90 Hz refresh rate, the display is noticeably smoother when you're scrolling through apps or browsing online, which adds a touch of premium quality to this budget-friendly device. The display has decent brightness levels, ensuring good visibility even outdoors, although it might not be ideal under very bright sunlight. Under the hood, the Oppo A5 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor, a solid mid-range chipset that's optimized for multitasking and light gaming. With 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, it provides sufficient power for handling everyday tasks without lagging. For the casual gamer, the Helio G85 can handle games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty at moderate settings, offering smooth gameplay without excessive heating. However, if you're into heavy gaming, the device may show some minor frame drops in demanding games. The Oppo A5 Pro runs on ColorOS 12, based on Android 12. Oppo's ColorOS is known for its customization options, making it easy to personalize the phone to fit your style. From customizable icons to theme options, you have plenty of ways to make the interface your own. Oppo has also integrated useful features like FlexDraw for multitasking and Private Safe for securing your personal files, bringing a layer of convenience and security to your device. The Oppo A5 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is ideal for all-day usage. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games, this battery has you covered. Plus, with 18W fast charging, you can quickly recharge the phone and get back to your day. While it doesn't charge as fast as some flagship devices, it's still a convenient feature at this price point. Now, let's talk about the camera, which is often a major deciding factor for smartphone buyers. The Oppo A5 Pro sports a quad-camera setup, led by a 50MP primary sensor. This main sensor captures detailed photos with vibrant colors, especially in good lighting conditions. The secondary 8MP ultrawide camera is perfect for landscape shots and group photos, capturing a wider field of view. There is also a 2MP macro lens for close-up photography and a 2MP depth sensor for portrait shots with bokeh effects. Low-light photography on the Oppo A5 Pro is decent. While the photos might lose a bit of detail in very dark settings, the night mode helps brighten up shots without too much noise. Selfie lovers, Oppo hasn't forgotten about you. The A5 Pro has an impressive 16MP front camera that captures clear and sharp selfies, with several beauty modes to enhance your look. The camera also includes portrait mode, giving you those nicely blurred backgrounds that make your selfies stand out. When it comes to audio, the Oppo A5 Pro is equipped with a single bottom-firing speaker. While it's decent for general use, you might want to use headphones or Bluetooth speakers for better sound quality, especially for music and movies. In terms of connectivity, the Oppo A5 Pro supports dual SIM 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and has a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio. It's equipped with everything you need for a smooth and connected experience. For security, the Oppo A5 Pro comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that's both fast and reliable. It also includes face unlock, which is handy and works well in good lighting conditions. One of the best aspects of the Oppo A5 Pro is its affordability. For a budget-friendly device, it offers a balance of performance, camera quality, and battery life that can be hard to find in this range. With all its features, the A5 Pro is a solid option if you want a capable phone without spending a fortune. In conclusion, the Oppo A5 Pro strikes a good balance between price and performance. From its impressive display to a reliable camera setup and long-lasting battery, it's designed to handle the essentials with style. Thank you for tuning into Xplorer. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Oppo A5 Pro. See you in the next video.